What's up, guys? This is Dennis with Luke Zion Jewelry. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can replace a broken clasp that you might have on a chain. So if you take a look here, I have some clasps here that are completely broken. You can actually see the wires on some of these clasps here. Some of them are inside already. And in my opinion, these are broken. You can definitely get these repaired by a professional jeweler. But honestly, guys, you can go ahead and purchase them online. They're very affordable. They even sell them in batches of 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever it may be. Again, they're affordable. You can buy them on Amazon and any online store that you can find. Just make sure that they're solid sterling silver. All right, guys, and I do have some clasps here laying around. I have a few different type of styles and designs, and so basically when you buy it online or wherever you might get it, all you're going to need is a clasp and a jump ring. They're typically open as well, and all you have to do is connect both of them together. And I also bought a plier set on Amazon that I put the link on the description below. And so you're going to need two of them. You're going to need this one here, and I'm going to use this one right here as well. And so it's a very simple thing that you need to do. As you can see, the jump ring is open right now. Again, typically that's how they are. And basically what you're going to do is grab it on both ends. And so here is the most important thing. Make sure that you move it up and down. Don't move it left to right. And so you're going to move up and down. So while one hand is going down, the other hand is going up. So each hand is going a different opposite direction, and it is nothing too dramatic and fast. You're going to move your hands very steady and slow. And so I'm going to show you guys a few more examples. It's very easy, guys. It's going to be up and down. As you can see here, once you get this down, we can definitely jump into putting it on a chain. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up here and let's grab the chain. Make sure you put it on the end tip there, and here it is, guys. The same process, the same thing. You're gonna go ahead and close it up and down, pushing it towards each other. So you have to push it towards each other, up and down. Once you do that, you can take a look at the results. It looks really good. So there it is. All right, guys, so right here, I'm going to be changing 3 different type of clasp on these 2 chains. So once you got the pliers and you're able to close a jump ring properly, it's very easy to change any type of clasp. All you have to do is just open it up, take it off, and put a brand new one in there. And you can actually buy any type of clasp. As you can see here, I'm just playing around with the designs. That's a Cuban link chain with a clasp that is usually on a Byzantine chain. And so you can play with it. You can put a bigger one on it. You can put a smaller one on it. It just depends on what you like and what you would like to do as well. And so while you're at it, you can definitely buy different type of designs online and at your own style, play around with it. So as you can see, I put one as well on the flat curb chain, and I'm going to change it to a smaller one that is usually on the Cuban link chains. All right, guys, and that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you at least give you guys an idea on how to change a lobster clasp if you have one that is broken. It's very simple. Don't be intimidated. All you need is a brand new lobster clasp that you can buy online. And the other thing you need is some pliers. If the jump ring is soldered or welded, make sure you have the tool that you're able to cut the jump ring just so you can open it up. And it is on this 7 plier kit. And again, guys, the link is in the description below on these pliers that I use. Much love and respect, and I'll see you guys in the next video.